Dear applicants, online registration for CEED 2023 exam has commenced on September 30. As you can see, you can register for the exam both with regular fee and with late fees. To register, first go to Google and search CEED 2023. You will see two official links in the search result. The first link will take you to the registration page. This is how the homepage of CEED 2023 exam portal looks like. If you wish, you can read up the information brochure to check eligibility criteria, list of available test centers, and other exam related details. Meanwhile, to start the registration process, click on the registration portal icon. You will be redirected to CEED 2023 online registration portal. In the page, you will see two options, register and login. The second or login option can only be used once you have registered for the exam. Click on register button. As the first step of the registration process, you need to enter a valid email ID and hit the register button. You will receive an activation link on the email you have just entered to register for CEED 2023. Click on the link to activate account. Clicking on the link will also redirect you to the application form where you need to first fill in your personal details. Fill in all the mandatory details and also select and confirm a password for the candidate account. The following message will appear on screen if you successfully submit the details. Click on Go to UCEED homepage button. You will be redirected to CEED 2023 exam homepage. This time you have to click on the login button. The register user's login window will open. Enter your email ID and password to login. Here you will have to do an eligibility check. Enter your qualifying exam, year of passing and mobile number. A verification code will be sent to your registered mobile number. Complete the verification. After completing this step, your registration number will be generated. Note it down. Next, you have to fill in candidate information, correspondence address, details of education qualification, and exam cities. Some of the information you have entered previously, including name, email ID, mobile number, will be auto-filled. Fill in the rest of the form. Also select 3 exam cities in order of priority. Click on the Save button. Confirm the details you have entered. Next, upload photograph, signature, and qualifying exam certificate. The prescribed specifications are mentioned on next to each document. Those opting for reserved category will also have to upload category certificates. Once the documents are uploaded, the filled-in application will be displayed on screen. Tick the declaration boxes given at the end of the page and then click on Save and Proceed for the payment button. Finally, you need to pay the application fee to complete the application process. Note that once the application fee has been paid, you can no longer edit the form. Click on the Make Payment and Submit button. You can choose the payment options from the drop-down menu. Make the payment to complete the application process. Once the payment is made, you can also download the completed application form. That was all about CEED 2023 application process. Feel free to reach out to us for queries in the comment sections below. All the best.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.